Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on ways you could be making money online. We're very glad to have you back. We are welcoming you to learn another new way to make money online. That's right, we have another video for you on ways you could be making money right now, and this one especially is awesome. This is a way you could be making money promoting products you might already have. It's a great tool, it's a great opportunity, it's a great way to make money even while you sleep. That's right, you heard me right. Even while you sleep, you could be making money with this webpage. So make sure that you stay all the way to the end of the video and learn every single step you need to take to get the max potential on this new tool. Now, before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. This will give you the advantage of knowing next time we have another cool video on ways you could be making money online. Make sure you're subscribed, your notifications are on. It will help me, it will help you, it will help everybody. It's a win-win for everybody because next time we have another cool video, it will let you know as soon as it is uploaded. Now, we're gonna get started with this. But before we get started, I want to ask you if you remember a bit about an earlier video we made about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you take someone else's product and you promote it for them. And every time they make a sale through you, they give you money, which is an amazing way to make money because you don't have to worry about a product. You can just support a product you already believe in. You can support a product you already have. You can support a product you enjoy, you know. So let's say, for example, I like my friend's game he developed. And my friend says, hey, my game is $10. I'll give you $2 every time someone buys my game through you. So I take an ad and I put it on social media or somewhere, and someone says, wow, yeah, that is a cool game, I want to buy it. So they buy it through you and you make $2. Now imagine if this happened in big scale everywhere where people could watch it. And this is what I'm gonna teach you how to do. So make sure you stay all the way to the end of the video so you can learn step by step how to do this. All right, so we're gonna get started first of all by going into here. We're gonna go into Amazon. We've all seen Amazon, right? We've all maybe bought something on Amazon or know someone that has bought something on Amazon and cannot stop talking about buying something on Amazon, right? So we know Amazon is very popular and it is a very popular webpage. They sell a lot every day, every minute they're making sales. Now imagine if you could be promoting stuff through Amazon where people don't have to go to a webpage they don't trust, where people don't have to go somewhere that they might not be able to look at reviews, but be able to go to Amazon and feel safe and feel comfortable buying in Amazon through you, and for you to make money every time someone else does this. So let's say, for example, I bought some kind of kitchen appliance and I really like it. I want to post about it. I want to show pictures of the stuff that I'm able to do with it. People like it. I add a link. People click on it. People buy it. I make money. It's that simple. That's how this webpage will work. But I'm going to teach you not only how it works, but how to get the most out of it. So again, make sure you stay to the end. All right, so we're gonna get started with looking at some of the products we might be able to find in Amazon, right? Let's take a look over here. So let's say the appliance that I bought was one of these blenders. Let's look at this blender over here. This looks like a good blender, so let's click on it. That's the Blendec Total Classic Original Blender. Now, this looks like a nice blender. It looks pretty. Let's say I bought it and I want to make money recommending this blender. So how might one do this? It's very easy. It's very simple. I'm about to show you. Now, before we get started, let me show you how some other people might be doing this. But first, let's calculate. Let's say $256. Let's say we were making 5% of those $268. I'm sorry. That's about $13 per blender if you're making 5% commission. So let's say you sell, I don't know, 10 in a week. That's $130 on commissions just from recommending a blender, and the ad does the work for you. I'm going to show you how it's done. So here's a guy, his name is Ryan Slide. He has a video of a review on this blender. Now we see right here he has a link. this link right here is very important, because if we click on it, let's see what happens. Oh, look at that, it sends us to Amazon, and it's an even more expensive blender. It's the same blender kinda, it's maybe a better version, but this one is $341. So now let's say we are making 5% on this blender when we sell one through one of our ads through YouTube or something like that. That is $17. That's, if he sells 10 in a week, that's $170, and he didn't have to do anything. He just had to post that video, put that link in there. Now let's look at another example. We have another example here. This is someone named Super Electronic Toys. Now Super Electronic Toys, just like the last one, has a link on his info, and look at that, it doesn't work. Now this is a good lesson for you. Make sure that your links work, because if your links don't work, you're not gonna make money. So let's go back to this blender. Now this is a good option because this blender is kind of expensive. Now it's $268, so the commissions are gonna be big, but you can sell cheaper stuff or more expensive stuff. Let's look at computers right now. I think a computer is a good option to be selling online. Now let's see, let's look at a computer that I might buy. Let's take a look over here. I like this one. I think this is a good option. $914, HP 4NN, etc, etc. It's a Pavilion. All right, so let's say I want to promote this computer. Let's say I bought this computer and I want to promote it because I really like the way this computer works. Now let's take a look and see, before we get started, if someone is already selling this computer in the way that we just looked at. So we're gonna take the name over here, and we are going to copy it, and we are going to go into Google right here. We're gonna paste it, we're gonna look at the videos, we're gonna click on the first video we can find, and look at that, it's a review with a link. So let's see what happens if we click on that link. It sends us back to our Amazon page. Isn't that amazing? If I was to buy this computer through the review that this guy posted, he would make money on that sale. Isn't that awesome? Now, so I know you've been waiting, you want to know what is this magic web page that gives me the links, that pays me to sell Amazon products. Now here it is, it's Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is Amazon's affiliate marketer area for people who want to promote their products, right? So it works just like ClickBank, it works just like any other affiliate marketers, but in this case you're selling products that are sold through Amazon. Now let's take a look over here at the advertising fees. Here we can see in the advertising fees how much money we can make for each product that we're selling through Amazon, through our social media, how much money we could be making sleeping, because people are going to be watching that video all over the world. People are going to be ordering these things all over the world. There's no time, there's no limit, there's no nothing. You just post this stuff and people can click on it and buy the stuff whenever they want, and you make money. You just wake up, check your phone, look at more money in your bank, and be happy. So there's tools for every site, right? Amazon provides a lot of tools that you can add into blogs, you can add them into YouTube channels, you can add them into your social media, you can add them into anything you'd like, and it'll help them sell, and that way you can make extra money, not just from YouTube, not just from your income. Now that's another cool thing that we gotta talk about is YouTube. Those reviews are making them money just as well as the affiliate marketing. So having reviews on YouTube makes money for you. This is another topic we're gonna cover on a different video, right? But so make sure to watch next week or in a couple of days when we have the next video about making money through making videos. You don't even have to show your face, we're doing it right now. So make sure you check out Amazon Associates. As I said, here's where you're gonna sign up, here's where you're gonna get the links, and once you get the link, you can take that link and you can share it to people, and if people buy that product through your link, you are going to make money. So I want to thank you again very much for watching. I want to welcome you to subscribe, I want to welcome you to turn on your notifications, and I want to welcome you into watching our next future videos so you can learn new cool ways to make money. Once again, thank you very much. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you like it enough to give us a thumbs up. We hope you like it enough to give us a subscribe, and we hope to see you again. Take care, have a good time, see you later.